La 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 la, la 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 la, Jacoby's World. La 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 la, la 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 la, Jacoby's World. As requested, here's my other grandma's garage doors here in our shed. Got these Genie Pro Max chain drives. As you can see, notice how this one has 5 panels, that one has 6 panels, so yeah. As you can see, I just programmed this remote to them. And here's the other remote. This one's only one, which is programmed to this one, so I had to program this old one that I have to these, so I have these programs. So if I make a quick video, see, got the light, sensors. Same for this one. So you got the lock, light, sensors here. So we're going to run the doors up. I want to do them. I'm only going to do them once inside, and I'll get them outside. So we'll do this one first. Here we go. Runs very smooth. Now we'll do this one. This one's a little quieter, but longer. Very nice. See? Very nice. Now we're going to run it back down here. Now same for this one. Notice how the light doesn't blink like that. So now I run it down. I love Genie. Yeah. This one's a little noisy when it hits the thing, but very nice overall. But see? So now, don't go away yet, because there's one more thing I want to show you. I'm going to show y'all the outside in just a second. Alright, so here we are outside now. I want to show them real quick. So I actually have programmed that this one is actually to that one, and that one's to that one. Middle one doesn't do anything, so yeah. Kind of crazy, but yeah. I'll show you the big one first here. Oops. Actually, do the big one first. Actually, that's a mistake. This one is to that one, and this one is to that one. Now I'll do the other one. Very nice door. See? All right. Now I'll put that one down. So we'll do the little small one first. Now I'll do that one real quick, and that'll be it. Very nice door. Notice how that one's got 5 panels and this one has 6, so you know what? Here, I'll do them at the same time, see if they work. See? See? Very cool doors. No keypad. So here's the remote. And then only the other one, here's a single one. See? All right, guys. The other one to this one is with somebody else, though, because this is actually the owners that used to live in this house have some stuff in here, so that's why there's a little mess in there. But yeah, they have the remote to that one, so that's why I have this other remote to these two. But yeah, quick video. And there's the other two I did back in 2020. So yeah, I'll make another video of those eventually. So all right, guys, there y'all go. So if y'all like these doors, leave a comment. So very cool doors. All right, guys, there you go. That's all.